Morning, friends. Oh, nose ring problems. Hold on, I should probably get dressed. Okay, that's a little better. So I've been in a rut. Surprise! If you've been around for a while, you're aware I do this every once in a while, at least once a year, where I just kind of have a complete little breakdown and lose control of everything around me. I don't know what this is doing today, holy crap. That's better. So what my normal schedule is, I usually do my cleaning, all my cleaning on Monday. I need to get myself back on track, and I have minimal time to do so. So lately, I'll start my cleaning on Monday and then I don't finish it until Wednesday. And I'm trying this new thing where, like, if I just accomplish, you know, a couple very specific things a day, then I can feel better about myself. I downloaded this app and it is called Tiny Decision. And it is basically like a little wheel, and then you hit the middle and then it spins around and then tells you what you're gonna do. When I have a bit of free time, I'm gonna use this throughout the week and document it, and then at the end of the week we will see if either A, it was more productive than trying to get all my cleaning done in one day, B, it's not more productive, but I feel more calm. Like if I feel more like I've accomplished something because there is less pressure to get every single thing done. Or if both happens, or if neither happens. There's really 4 options here. I don't know, let's fucking find out. This is basically a glorified chore wheel. Let me just read this list out to you real quick. It is quite big, but some of these are very short tasks. Film a ring reveal, post my Valentine's Day charms, post my star charms on my Intense Customs page. All of those links will be down below if you want to check them out. Workout, put away clothes, put away the bubble wrap and the box in the corner, put away towels, post my karaoke videos. They may have been up already by the time you're seeing this video, depends how long it takes me. Edit ring reveal, post ring reveal, sort out my work essentials bag, clean up a remote for Roars, have to message my friend about baby clothes, do the dishes, fridge, clean the garbage cans, do the mirrors, dust the whole house, bathroom counter, toilet, tub and shower, refill my vitamins, vacuum, put away clothes again because I have 2 baskets, I did them separately, and do the toy swap. Change sheets on the bed, wash the sheets, and put away the sheets. So I'm going to delete things off the list as I get them done, and if something comes up that I can't do until I do something else, I'll just reset the wheel and respin. Okay, so he's brushing his teeth and watching Go Dog Go, so I have time to get one thing done, so we will start spinning right now, see what comes up, see where this goes. It is currently 9 a.m. on Monday. Spin. Clean up remote. There we go. Vacuum. Post Valentine's Day charms.
Okay, I did it. I did it. Not all of it. I still have this. I'm gonna add dishes back to the list because I have to do my groceries tonight, which means I won't have any more time to do anything, so this is it for the day.
Alright, it is day 2, it's now Tuesday. I added a couple things last night that I either missed or piled up during yesterday and now need to be done.
We were through, but I won't believe it. I won't believe that it is true. Won't you just tell me what I'm supposed to do? I can't stop thinking. I can't stop thinking about you.
Well, the jig is up. And by the jig, I mean the baby.
So at least I got all that done, and there is some laundry in the wash, which is great. But I work tonight, so this is it. This is the end of my list. And this is still how many items I have left. It's Tuesday. I feel like this is not more productive than my normal routine.
It's Wednesday. This is normally the day where I would just be tying up some loose ends with my cleaning. Literally just doing some neglected cleaning activities that I didn't have time for. I tell you, it's not looking good. This is how much I still have left. But here we go.
Can't stop thinking
you can't tell by how I look right now, I'm losing my fucking mind over this. Today's Thursday. This is supposed to be my day of rest. And it's not, because I still haven't finished this fucking list.
I don't get why you love me after all we've been through. Pull me close when you should have shoved me. Love is something I'll never know. Even when your words fell down on deaf ears, you never be stuck complain, no. Please do not stop what you're doing. No more playing games, don't turn my world into ruins. We're like roses in rain. Please do not stop what you're doing. No more playing games, don't turn my world into ruins. We're like roses in rain, rain, rain. We're like roses in rain, rain, complain, no. Please do not stop what you're doing. No more playing games, don't turn my world into ruins. We're like roses in rain. Please do not stop what you're doing. No more playing games, don't turn my world into ruins. We're like roses in.
Oh my god, I did it. It's done.
So I'm down to literally just putting away the towels and posting my ring reveal. Posting it will literally take me 10 seconds, and I think tonight would be a good night for my boyfriend to put away the towels. So what did I learn from all this? That I'm never doing it again. This was stupid. I think I'm literally just going to stick with my cleaning day being Monday, and eventually he will transition out of this stage and it'll be easier, and I'm just gonna fucking deal with it because this was stupid. Yeah, so I think it would be fun to maybe make a couple more videos with this app deciding other things for me, but it did not. This was not fun at all. This was horrible. Okay, I'm gonna get back to momming now, and thanks for watching. Let me know if you have any ideas for other things I should let this app decide for me, and forgot to lock this cupboard. See you in the next one.